River TX, Titus TX, Camp TX, Upshur TX, Gregg TX, Rusk TX, Cherokee TX, Leon TX, Limestone TX, McLennan TX, Ghost TX, Somerville TX, Hood TX, Parker TX, Dungeon TX, Colin TX,
This is a law enforcement
Hunt
warning,
TX,
by the way.
Delta TX,
local area emergency,
Hopkins
my bad.
TX, Franklin TX, Wood TX, Smith
I'm on
TX, Henderson TX, Navarro TX, Ellis TX, and Anderson TX, beginning at 9:02 p.m. Saturday, November 2nd and ending at 10:02 p.m. Sunday, November 3rd. Local Amber Alert. Missing child from Heartland, Texas. Suspect vehicle is a black 2023 GMC Yukon. Missing child is a Canary Young, 12-year-old black male. Suspect is Dorcas Young, 42-year-old black female. Call Crandall Police Department with information at 469-376-4500. If seen, call 911.